So every year you probably have teachers telling you like you got to do your practice work because it's going to help you do better in your class. So what I've done for you here is I just had 3 Spanish 1 classes this spring semester, run a 4x4, which means the entire class is 1 semester. And what I did is I wrote down the students' scores on their practice work, which they get assigned about 1 to 2 activities a day. What grade they earned on that for the semester, and then the grade that they earned in the class, and I average it out so you can see if the practice work has any effect on the grades in the classes. Now, obviously, there'll be outliers of the kids that didn't do very much practice work, but still got a good grade in the class because they worked hard in class and paid attention. There'll be kids that did the practice work but got poor grades in the class for various reasons. So there are outliers, but let's see if the practice works. Practice work works in Español Uno. So all I'm going to do is do a little function here, and we will find out. Let's do the average. Okay, so this first column, that number you see right there, that 59%, that is the average student grade of students who earned an F average on their practice work. So that's between a 0 and a 59%. So all those kids that fell in that category in practice work earned an average grade in my class of a 59%. Let's look at the D grades now. So these kids earned a D on their practice work, and their average grade in class is a C. They got a 74%. So they averaged a 60 to 69% and averaged a C in the class. Okay, so far it's tracking what we say as teachers. These kids earned a C on their practice work, and in class they earned an average of an 82.79, so low B in class. So far still tracking. Let's see, these kids all earned a B on their practice work, and average grade in class is an 85.9, so again a little bit higher, still tracking. Doing your practice work does correlate with your grades in class. Hopefully this works for the last one too. So these kids all earned an A in their practice work, and they averaged in class a 93.12%. So it tracks. The lower your practice grade is on average, the lower on average your grade will be in your Spanish 1 class. Do your practice work. It's good for you.